Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification bell.
If you're in need of a brand new house and you're in the Atlanta or Florida area, Donette Campbell is the person you should reach out to.
We have business to deal with now. Ina need to come out of the Pampas be. She soon have to start go school.
Yeah, but no. I'm gonna try to find one work so we can move out of our parents' house and find somewhere for me and stay.
We don't want a pressure on our grandparents. And me and you in this together. So we have to deal with the baby right and proper. Say this to say that, babes. You know, I get on work. A man take a be.
You get one work?
Yeah, it's late me to tell you.
Alright. But me still 100% like if I say I go get one work so far, but if me and you get one work, we know say it's all we can take care of, you know.
Hey, where you going?
Mommy, I don't know. Chris cousin me I go. He asked me for some plum, so I pick it plum them outside tree and I go carry down there. I not stay long, I soon come back, man.
So you just take a step out of your house
Mommy,
and leave your baby, not even ask me.
you know what I mean, I go just go with so.
What you mean?
And
So
so
that you
that
do?
I'm shoes me I put on, mommy, and then I come back to you. You know me no come out of the house like that.
You know, so from that day, me realize you're not move right. You're not moving right at all, like something wrong with you. Like you lose one screw in your head. You just a move like, what happened to you? Something wrong with you?
Mommy, me soon come back. Me do the baby asleep, you know.
Me not trust you. And you see, if you never look like rain, I go fall, me tell you to take your baby and carry one. Because me don't trust you.
Mommy, because the baby asleep, that's why I cannot bring the baby with me.
Imagine, look on the amount of money me spend on you and send you to school. And the only thing you come in with is a baby. And me notice from the day now, you know and find nothing to do for help yourself.
So you not appreciate that although I get pregnant and me I go college, you not appreciate say you get one grandchild.
Me if you appreciate so me get one grandchild, me did send you to go get grandchild and you don't have no if you put your
You know much somebody can get pregnant, mommy?
Girl. You do everything back way. Back way.
Back way. You can just carry plum them, go get.
Let me talk to you for 1 minute, man. Let me talk to you. Listen to me for 1 minute. It coming like say, you see? Me don't know. My grandparents always say bird fly too fast, miss their nest. And it look like you are move too fast because number one, a plan was for you finish college, find a work, and then you think about baby. You find a work, find somewhere to lay your head, and then after you find your nice husband and married and think about baby, think about family. Me can't plan your life here, you know. Me can't plan your life here because everybody have their own life.
So you not feel like say me I go look at work.
I once madam believe in her and a God. Because God never fail me. But you fail me. But guess what? The baby come already and me have to accept the baby. But let me tell you something. Make sure, you know. Make sure you go for family planning, you know, girl. Because me no want no more pit in my house. I take time walk good galang where you go.
Mommy, just remember say the baby in there now. She asleep and she alone left on the bed. I mean, no bar her or nothing like that.
You forgot for Barry baby.
Just bar baby
You're
for me
going
now.
like
Me
a
soon
prison.
come. You're going like you know. Me I go work soon, work mommy, and get some money, you know.
Look, a girl, me not have no confidence in you. You.
Don't worry yourself.
I'm not for worry myself.
Good night. Are you near Ringo? I'm looking for Ringo.
I'm sorry, my name Ringo.
I want borrow. Come find about me. I look for Ringo and me call him and himself for come here. So me I wonder if I the right place to come.
I my name Ringo, man, but you know how I go. You can't really give out the information like that, but you're a little bit too late, you know. But me just get a new bartender.
You know, say I bust me in from South and DM me in I bus and South and the bus nah Lord. Everybody come in and come out back.
Jaja.
So I tell me say no other little me not get the work.
As me say, I don't know, we have to get a bartender now still, but I don't know if we have vacancy for dancers still. We always have vacancy for dancers.
Sir, for dancers, at the bar work militarily come for the no work, sir. Me no know nothing about dancers, you know.
So you know dance on the day, yeah?
Yeah, me dance some day in my yard, but me no know nothing for go up on pole and go dance.
You have a mirror, but you can look on yourself. You don't have to look on it, the people them in the club. You just look on yourself and dance. You know what I mean? I don't know. You're just like you dance on TikTok and you dance in your yard. You can dance, all things say you go.
So basically, you go tell me say me I go naked.
No man, you're not going naked, man. Just pretend like say a beach there in your swimsuit or in your bathroom in your, you understand?
A problem you want to get me now, no? Problem. I'm a parents, so you feel like parents are going to say about this at the bar work, I come to look for.
No man, parents, your parents have nobody will come in and them a place. Them a place are not responsible for your parents. But the dancers them get 35,000 a week, you know. That pay more than a bartender. So
Alright, we work with the little money, but just make sure some of my parents don't know nothing about this.
no man, don't even bring your parents on this.
Yes, I'm going to start work from tonight, right?
Yeah man.
So, where the bathroom left to change?
Yeah man, we have a nice place. We have a room and things with you can change. So what's your name again?
Jessica.
Jessica. So when like I there say now the name Jessica again, the name Peaches. Anybody ask your name, the name Peaches, here. So you go dance and seduce them and make your name work for you.
Alright, let me call your father. Chris. Hey, good afternoon. You can come here a minute, please? No. No, man, the baby alright, man. Knock on the door. She alright. I was gonna come by, but you know what happened? I have a flat tire. So I'm asking you please to come here right now. It's very, very important. No, man, the baby alright, man. Nothing wrong with the baby. Okay. You know, me not have no pampers for her. Pampers finish. Yeah, you can bring snacks and juice. You don't have to bring no water. I have enough water here. Alright. Alright. Hurry and come here. Okay. Alright then, later. Enara, Daddy's coming to get you, okay? Alright? You hear me? And when he come, you must not cry.
Oh, Mr. G.
So hold on there.
Wow. Wow, baby. Wow, alright.
So Chris, you mean to God, so I call you and I tell us if I bring juice. Pampers, see baby, you come with your 2 long hand.
Mr. G, me not no money right now. Right now, me need for collect a money, but you know how it goes. Me not get for collect, so me I go come back and give you a money to buy some stuff here.
So what that's supposed to mean and what that's supposed to do with me? You don't have no money. Me I talk about a little girl.
But Mr. G, remember say your grandmother, you can't take care of a little bit. Remember say so other little bit there, you can't make them give you a little juice or what chips.
You listen to yourself. Eh?
Me I go get somebody, don't worry yourself, man.
Look like you forget said a little girl is your responsibility.
No.
I help out a situation, you know.
Me know that. Remember, sir, but not even, which part of our mother, by the way?
Me would not like to ask you the same question.
Right now, me I try to call her from when I can't get her.
Me would not like to ask the same question. Because from how long she leave this little girl here, and no, my eyes them not behold her.
You know, so same thing with me, I call her from when. The last time me talked to her, she said she get work a month ago, be. But she said she go up there for a week, see what's what with the work. But me can't get her from then.
So she got man tea go be.
Yeah.
Man tea go be.
Yeah, me get money and everything for going up there, but me can't get her. Me I want to see what happen. Me feel like we tell the police, but they don't say police fool, and they not go searching nobody.
Nothing happened to her.
You sure?
I mean, if me sure so nothing happened to her.
But say I feel that you know, Miss Gigi, me just want to make sure say she alright, you know.
You hear me tell her so nothing happened to her? Because she a call me from private number, and then when she call me from private number, I say hello, me hear her voice. And then she hang up the phone. Nothing happened to her. But one thing may I tell you, me not think it's fear. I don't think it is fear. For me, send this girl at every school you can think of in Jamaica and spend out all of my money and come back for your mind grandpitney. At times for me live life, me not live no life, you know.
Me understand that, but me can't get her either.
The little girl is your responsibility. I feel it one responsibility. Right now, me I tell you the truth. Right now, me can't keep her no longer here, you know, because
Just keep her for a while. Me understand. That's exactly point, Miss Gigi, you not work right now. Just take
so
care.
how you expect me to take care of a baby? A baby.
Me must say me a work, you know.
I'ma just tell us to bring 2 little juice.
Me I go carry them.
Don't bring no water because me have water. Me can boil the pipe water, you know, me can boil the tap water.
Me don't want to be able to drink no pipe water.
Yeah, very thing. You don't want to be able to drink no pipe
That's why I ask you if you want me carry water.
So if me tell her yes, you still not carry juice and the Pampers. So how you dey go carry water?
Me have water at home. Well, just take care of you a while. Me I go collect somebody right now. Don't worry yourself, man. Me I go carry stuff them.
When me take care of the baby here,
No
who
worries.
take care of me? It cannot work like that. Chris, it does not work like that.
Me
Your mother
understand.
gone and I same thing.
Wait, where you mean that mother run away gone?
What you mean how your mother run away gone?
Miss
You
Gigi,
know how long she leave here and she not come back? You know how hard me work? Before, look here, me can't take care of myself. Me
just
not think me can't
take care of
me
her.
not think-
Just take care of her, man. No worries, sir. Me I go get the money. She'll fall asleep.
Hold on.
Just
hold on.
carry inside and
Hold
not
on,
phone.
hold on.
Cause she shall sweat.
Fix up yourself.
Yeah.
Fix up yourself. Fix up yourself. Fix up yourself. Wipe all the sweat off your face. Look here, take back that baby.
Just hold
Hold
on.
the baby, take
Just keep her a while, Miss Gigi.
your baby. A 2 grandmother, a little girl have. Me and one, your mother next one. You just take her. Me need a break.
Remember say I feel your granddaughter clean up, Miss Gigi. You
I'm
can't take care.
daughter. What is your daughter?
Alright, Miss Gigi.
Me a gran. A beauty about it, me a gran. So when me tell her, you're supposed to can't take her. No can't if you no burden for me. You know how long my daughter run down. Go on. Me,
Alright.
go on.
Alright, Miss Gigi.
Yeah, go on.
Me care.
See, you go on.
Cause see baby sweat out man.
Set her, fix her clothes properly.
Just
the
say
you
for keep
can't
her.
No, you feel learn, your father. From ever since in the world, I pay mother, and no father. Be a good father. Be one of the best father. Go on with your daughter.
Alright.
Go on.
Me call her, yeah?
Yeah, call me.
Just tell her mother,
Call me.
just get in touch with her mother, call, she call me.
She out of touch with me how long? You try get in touch with she. Cause when it one did that touch, you never did. I think about the baby. Here?
Good evening, Bobby.
Evelyn, what my grandbaby? Pass him give me.
Go on to grandma.
Come here, my baby. You me I call you all him. Hush. Partner. You alright, mama? You alright? Try down your clothes here. And when you're sitting down, you close your legs. Good girl. Alright, baby? Mama, baby, alright? So what going on?
Well, I'll say if I can keep her for a few days till we sort out some work.
Alright, wait, baby, wait.
Um,
Close your legs. Close your legs, baby.
ready?
Yeah.
Bobby,
Hmm?
well, I'll ask you if I can stay with you a few days till we sort out some work.
Chris, warm to our mother.
You know, say our mother get one work on Bobby, so she gone on Bobby.
I live in work.
No, we don't know what kind of work to be honest, but she said she just don't go for a few days see what's what with the work and come back now.
Chris, if you remember, send me the work, you know.
No.
You know.
Yes. But
Then if me have to stay with the baby, listen, you're gone in a baby world. You turn father now. Let me teach you this. Pass me all and pass through them the long time. Listen to me. When you have a child, you have to take up your own responsibility.
I understand that, but
Me working.
I just feel a few
And if
days.
me know say my grandpicking, you know. So me not scared to stay with her. I'm not vexed to stay with her. But the point is, I am working. And if me I go stay with the baby, me have to go quit my job. Then either me pay short or they fire me. You understand that plain and straight? You get what me I say?
Me not say if you quit your job, me just say if you stay with her a few days. I saw me work me look for get a work.
You look for one job.
Yeah.
When the mother is coming back. Because as far as me concerned, you don't know if I live in work, you don't know if I weekly work or if every day she have to go left and down and so go a maybe and come back at evening time or night time to come sort out her child. Me no know, you no know. Who go know? A few on her child. The two of you have to take up on your own responsibility. You can't the left. You pick me what you get. Pan grandparents all the time. You need to talk to your baby mother. And you see that Mobby thing the way you tell me about she a work a Mobby. You not even know when she a come back. Nothing about her work, nothing at all about she. You not even hear from her. Chris, that Mobby work there. Something about that Mobby work.
So wrong if she get one work on me.
Nothing wrong. A lot of people from down here working at Montego Bay. But she, they act fishy.
No, that
She looks suspicious.
Bobby, where I try for really say? Where me don't say that really like her for a long time, you know. Where I
No,
really
she
try
do
to say?
anything. Don't say that.
No,
I do
me
not hate her.
know it truth.
You know the truth.
Where I try for say, Bobby?
Chris is my son, I don't want to disrespect you. And the child is my granddaughter.
No, speak
Listen
your mind.
that we do know young people, no listen from the older one we have experience and go through stuff.
Nah,
already.
listen, me I listen to you.
Chris, you look like you want me to start talk. Women of one talk.
No, because you say like me don't fi trust my baby mother.
I did not say you must not trust your baby mother. I said I don't trust that Mobby thing there. So get it right.
Alright.
Me not trust it. I'm gonna tell you again, Chris. Me not trust that Mobby thing the way you tell me about her.
Bobby, me love you, but
And your baby mother they act suspicious.
see same thing.
Yes.
Me know it say you don't like
You're
her.
in love. I mean, me not against say you're in love thing. You're young and want in love.
So
But
wrong
make
if you're in
sure
love.
say See how you fall in love. Look out for the unexpected because you will fall out of it.
So
You
wait,
understand?
no, but yeah, say it like she had this something behind the back.
Doing anything. But you can't have your picnic and left them so like a fowl with and then chicken.
Bobby.
A roadside for mangoes near me.
Yeah, act like a roadside she left for.
Yeah.
And with her grandmother.
Grandmother? Which grandmother she left with?
No fear her mother.
She left with her mother.
Yes.
She the a man to go be now, don't?
Yes.
She know your child eh?
Of course she know.
Oh, you know say your camera on ya? You see say you idiot. Just like your woman when you pick up that girl a turn in a idiot, me wonder if I tie you.
Alright, Bobby.
Because everything me out of my mouth, you have something to say pertaining to that girl. Like you in love more than any other man.
But now see that. But me can't just sit down and
Chris,
take.
she can cook?
Of course she can cook. Bobby, yeah.
So before she go away, she did cook gear stew please? Because something wrong with you.
Bobby. But I like.
When she cook gear before she go away?
Bobby, that the.
Because you sound different.
Bobby.
Look here. You sound different from before she go away.
Bobby.
Like she turn you in an idiot before she go away. So that means that every little thing. Mommy this, mommy that, mommy this. My girlfriend don't talk about my girlfriend. What? Boy, you feel have sense.
But me not go just sit down and make you disrespect her so. Alright, Bobby. Me never come here for fight with her, you know. Me just come for just left the baby off. And you just keep her for a few days. Me get somebody.
2 days like how much days?
Me can't tell her how much days.
You have to tell me because me work.
Alright, me come.
So me can call my boss and tell him to give me them the days that for me day off and me only can take the least of 2 days me can take for me day off. So if you don't go over 3 days, she have to go a daycare, you have to go find the money, give me for pay because I'm not getting pay until 2 weeks time.
Alright, you can keep her for just 2 days and then me come back for her. Me come for her back in 2 days, just take care.
Don't worry about that. You feel me look like a baby mother to you? Me is your mother.
Yeah,
I'm not tell you take care of me when I grand pitney. Chris, you say I did that go on.
Alright.
Go on, leave the child. Me take care of her as a mother and a grandmother. Because you don't love pick up some dirty foot, butterfoot girl when not even know if you take care of themselves much as you don't go and breed them. Next time you put her and sit over here, look here. What? Good girl. Come in. Alright, come, baby. Alright. Come to grandma. Sit down, mama. Chris. Come to your baby mother.
You know, so me try to call her, but me can't get her. But don't worry yourself, man. Me soon get free.
One phone call, you not hear from her? No all?
No, remember, so me tell her, say, she get one work above here, so she probably tied up with all the work.
Work? What kind of work she get? What kind of work you can get in a real life? That's not even 2 days or 1 day out of the week. You can't come visit your picnic.
But you tell me, so she didn't go up there for a little while, so me not worry myself about that.
I don't like how your son.
What you mean?
Me not like how your son, because you know say the girl gone from when. Chris, are your baby mother. You a man, she a woman.
Me understand
Girl
that.
can't look work. You don't even know if a man she gone there with. But she can you prove it? You know, you see her.
Jessica not gonna look no other man.
Jesus Christ. Chris, a time for you use your head, you know? A time for you have sense. You is not a child anymore. So you give me grand picnic day. You give me grandchild. Yes.
So you're not happy?
Yes. Let me tell you about our phone call when I get from my boss. You understand me? My boss called me this morning early. And the cuss get ignorant for me. So she never see me do this yet. 2 days me miss from the people them work. 2 days Chris me miss from my work. So me short a 2 days pay. You go have to care back the baby to our next grandmother. Because if me miss it, the next day we go make it 3rd day. Me go out of a job. You understand me? Remember me have to support you and the child.
Me understand.
So if me lose my job, remember you're not working. If I lose my job, what you gonna do? And what the child gonna do? Yes, me understand. She's my grandchild. Me have to take care of her. But you need to find yourself a job.
Me go find one work.
And Stop.
Bobby.
To me about your baby mother and me can't talk to her so. Because girl left from you gone all long.
Bobby.
And you know
Alright,
what she dey
alright.
do. They can't tell me how she dey work. You sure? What
Yes.
kind of job she doing? Can you prove it?
Bobby, I don't know what kind of job she do, but I trust her.
Right now you get me ignorant. Becoming a grown up fool. Girl gone about them business all long now. You don't know if a man yard today go tell me say me no fit talk to you about your girl so.
Bobby.
Like seriously, if she was a woman, she'd have behave like one. If she's a mother, she'd have worse behave like one.
Me can't disrespect her, so you know.
As far as me concerned, your girl they behave like a skittle. And where she did
You know
before you
what?
start run off your
Alright, me have a
they
care.
take
Me have a care about Cardiff Scrabble, because it don't make no sense.
And that you
Me have her.
because me can't go
It
to
don't make
job
no
take care of the
sense.
child.
Me have the baby in here. I disrespect fear mother, and she a my baby mother.
She don't understand nothing what we dey talk about, but
That
before
no
she start
matter.
understand, you need to make her mother understand herself and know say she need to stand up as a mother to her child and stop leave her picnic on people.
Alright, me hear you.
So because
Me hear you.
in her grandmother and she have a next grandmother, her mama no fit stand up to her own responsibilities. Like seriously, Chris, come out of my place. Take up your child and go give the next grandmother. Me no have no time for waste. The amount of dirty pampers so me have run her back to go that straight. From when you get a big truck now come, the whole place stink. Look here, carry her go on, please.
Me not go see in the house, so I can't disrespect me baby mother.
Go give them round there. Take her care, go give her next granny, because me not have no time to waste. When me work, me will send money round there and stuff that she need and pampers. Look here, go on. You want her to take up me time. Me not lose my job, see because you and your pitney and you they take up for your girl where not even know where she they do wherever she is.
Alright.
Like seriously.
Because me not say that the house here.
Right now she must sit there in a one man bed. You damn fool.
Miss Gigi. Miss Gigi. Nobody there.
Who would that call me?
Afternoon.
So you come back with the baby.
We want to talk to you about if you can just we carry one bag with some juice, chips and pampers. We just want you to keep her a little while.
It don't work like that. It don't work like that. Because you see Jessica, she's a big disappointment. After me spend so much money and send her to school and she done college, only thing she come in with, I want baby. And then she disappear. It don't work like that. And me alone she have as grandmother, what happened to her next grandmother?
You know, so we carry to her next grandmother, but just 2 days she did it. And my mother said about say she can't take care of me because she have work to do. But may I beg her, please. Just keep her for a few days. Every day be care something for her. You don't have to worry about buy pampers and all that. So me I go work. Just
Chris,
take care for her, please.
Chris, if I only 2 days, you carry your own daughter to your mother, and she can't stay with her. Look how long me have her. You know how long Jessica gone? You know how long?
Me know
So
a long time
hold on there. So me not have no time for myself.
Me pick her up whenever me can. Me just beg her, please. Just take care of her a little while. Me care everything we you need just there at the bag. If you need no else, just call me.
Me fi just call you. Other day when time I tell us if I bring juice and pampers and everything, where you come with?
But me tell us
You're too long hand.
But me tell us we could never carry the in time, then me go carry next time.
You work?
Of course me work. Me a hustle right now. Me a try my best to just take care of my daughter.
Just because I'm a granddaughter. You gotta keep her.
Thank you.
You know hear from Jessica?
No, me don't hear from her. You alright?
You really not hear from
She start to get sleepy.
Give me her.
Yeah, cause she want sleep now.
Yeah. You know? You alright? Grammy love you, here? Kiss Grammy. Kiss Grammy. Kiss Grammy now.
Miss Gigi just say I sleep, she want sleep.
It's alright, it look like you no give her sitting on junk her.
Me never junk her.
Anyway.
Alright.
Anyway. Me get one little news flash now. I don't know if nothing really goes off the tree now.
What kind of news?
Me only a hope and pray say no goes off the true. Because me know how some people can lie and love spread rumor and talk some things when I go so. But me hear you last time you tell me say Jessica there I'm Montego Bay.
Yeah, she tell me.
Montego Bay. Montego Bay.
Yeah, she tell me say I work she get so me say alright. Make sure
Well
go
me
on
hear
up.
say she don't want place name Dead End. I say place name Dead End, Dead End. Dead End me hear say she there. Dead End.
Wait.
I want club around there.
What kind of club?
Me no know what kind of club you know. I don't know what me hear say she run there dance go.
No, wait, Miss Gigi. You can't say that.
And me can't say that me hear.
You
Me
can't.
hear.
What if I lie? I probably lied about lie. She probably are working as a bartender or something like that. She can't.
Well, me only
She
a
are the
pray
type
now.
of person.
Me only hope and pray say I like them a lie no. Cause last time when she left here, she and your cousin left here. And all me a call for her phone, she call me on private number every now and again. And when me say hello, she hang up her phone.
Miss Gigi, me don't believe that. Cause by Jessica, she not gonna do nothing like that. She probably are working as a bartender or something.
You hear from her?
No, but she probably that's why she not even call me. Probably because she are working at a club. Probably that's why she don't call me. But me not worry myself. Me and her good right now. Me and her alright. Me when she come back, everything go alright.
I hear me go one you do for me. You see? If you hear from her, tell her say she fi come home. Because me have one little documents pertaining to your daughter and for your daughter, I want her to sign up for me. Because I can't stay at my yard every day. You know. Your mother at work, right? She at work?
Yeah, she at work.
Alright. So me now go sit down and babysit. Me now do no babysit work. You have daycare. So me go carry the baby go to the daycare place and she at work, me at work. So guess what? Me and her, if your friend you not at work, and me no know if Jessica work, me yes I dance, she a dance. One thing me I tell you, open up your eye them wide and open up your ears. Because you see when me hear from good source. And not because of my daughter, you a young little boy, and you don't know how me feeling. Open up your eye wide and go do some your own investigation. You hear me say?
Alright, me
And if
hear
you hear from her, tell her so me say she fi come home, me have some documents if she sign.
Alright,
You understand?
But even though people are telling her, me still don't believe that. But as I say, me hear what you say.
You're
I
lucky.
probably hear say she's a me know say Jessica in a my heart Jessica not gonna do nothing like
It's
that.
alright. Believe, kill and believe. Cure. Young but no know stam. Go on.
Alright.
Go on, good. Go on.
Be card.
I want to not go sign paper. You say me I go and sign out on no name out of my grand picnic car. Me I go make one stable foundation for him.
Ah, boy. Sis, boy, time hot me I tell you, man. He come like say, boy, God will want last one pull all the earth closer to his son. Me don't know what happened. Everybody, boy, me I tell
When your
you.
pastor come in and I see why you broke down with this one. That's
Oh,
why
yeah,
I don't
man.
have no quarantine.
Oh, okay.
Hot. See me, I feel open up everywhere.
I mean, understand, man. So you go.
Right now, me a
See it, man.
sweat.
Yeah.
God almighty, me go up there and fix it early. So I go on with you.
Boy, I tell you, trust me, man. Proud of my little boy, you know. Proud of him. Little man do all the little Pepsi in there. Mash it up. Gone all a Belmont.
Sure.
Oh, God, man. I say, man, I'm years. I mean, not a year for me that I feel all the little when I have left strong turn up. Proud of him, man. I tell you, say, boy, the man go and get all prize for sure studies. Best in the whole school.
Wow.
You know, me never get there sitting there, you know. After so see your picnic, get up and say, boy, you hear him name call. And I tell you, say, me there out the door, run. I'm going to see my boy a collect the thing, man. Proud of him. The other one, them all right. See, little girl a come on and, you know, little boy and so forth and thing, and everything cool. So,
Okay.
you know, like, oh, was something right with them, man. How am
Anyway,
I? Know you. Me and you go. Sitting all right. Tell me,
whole heap of things not right.
what happened now?
Whole heap.
Apart from money, me know say something right. What happened?
I don't know money. I don't know money. Money a part of it, you know.
Yeah.
But this is all about my grandchild.
Oh, the little girl there.
Yes, man.
What go on with him?
Your nephew pick me, my son.
Why him start early? Me don't know what happened. How you go early?
Want him to get no youth already at fame age, although him a big man and in less school. But he don't happen already. When me I go do a my grandchild, me have to take care of the child. But what about the mother who birth the child?
Oh,
You don't know say. Chris go take up. Look here. God, I don't want class her because I'm a grandpitney mother, but sometimes I have to class them dirty girl there, you know.
Huh.
This little girl with the
Eh.
dance go-go run we left the pitney. From when and how long with the caller and nobody can get her. It me I wonder if she switch her number
Eh.
or the same number and every time somebody call her she decline it. But the girl run a gun tell we say I'm mobile she dey go. Me soon come back. Me just go check out one work until today the girl don't come back. Left the pitney
How we are
and
say
the
to me?
next granny.
Eh. And that, yo,
Jesus
me see,
Christ.
me see your son on the road, you know. But I tell you, say him no look the same way. Something no right. I say no look the same. But he poor little young
Because
man.
him stress out.
But you know, says a youth, I call when he young and I talk to him about certain things in our life. See, me forgive him another talk again.
You
He
better.
kind of gone bad in a sense, but me have to go kind of guide him. Because me see him and I tell you, say me glimpse him. Sometimes I can't even talk to him and more and call to. But me see his stress for the little youth. He should not go through them something, yeah, man.
Listen to what me I say to you now.
Yeah,
You're a nephew.
yeah, man.
Even though when they reach certain age, they feel say nobody can talk to him. Maybe through me a woman,
Yeah.
my talking to soft feet. He go through this a easy and then he fly through the next age. So like how your man maybe he will listen to you.
Yo.
So you know what? Call him your nephew.
Mhm.
You're a big man. Call him and talk to him as a man and make him understand life. And make him stop stress out about the little orange girl the way I dance mobile. Which part of mobile? I not even remember a place of mobile, but somewhere mobile she say, although they lie, she will say mobile she there now make we don't get the chat but she
So
there
hold
mobile.
on.
And no mobile she there
So
now.
that the young girl, gone mobile dance, go.
Listen, don't get me wrong. She say she gone mobile. Me no know if I'm mobile or where she say. She left the message say she dey go a mobile go look work fi come back. And I know as me tell you before, she no come back.
So
Then no, listen, let me talk to you. Chris now sit down and stress out about this girl. Before he think about him youth and go walk and mind him picnic. In the left pan he had a granny round there so and I stress out me fi help mind picnic too. Yes, I'm a grand picnic. Me have to support the child too. But what about the mama? Me need you to talk to Chris. Me can't take this thing no more. Me need you to not even one last girl no left you know. This worthless girl, so when she dey pan pole a wheel and a wine and a do.
boy.
Fi nothing at all.
So me sorry, so me never see little early to kind of guide them and thing and so forth. But sometimes
Chris make me shame.
shh. Chris come. Hold it.
I don't care if you hear what me they tell us say. I believe. Talk to him.
Chris. I see it, my boss.
Oh God, uncle.
Boy, me I tell you. But me I hear certain things I know, you know, someone too right and but things don't happen already and it can't change. And that's how I go on. I just talk to your mother. And boy, me I tell you, I tell you, so me see how you look so stressed out. But I wish somebody talk to you early and guide you. You see, one little time of pleasure is a lifetime of sorrow. Little child is good and is there. Don't take me wrong. I'm not saying that, but you're young. I never expect a boy, things like that. I'm young to and things will happen, but I'm sorry as an uncle, I should I even sit down and talk to you and show you would have go through stuff. When me hear your mother talk, your mother not right and you have all stuff I go through, boy, and I tell them, man, for you look a young man. Me understand I'm here say I don't look a nicks nuts, but you have to go harder to push out. And the mother herself not have nothing name use and whatever. There's no way somebody can go and live a daughter with a father. What kind of right thinking mother would do something like that? Even if she gone somewhere else or something. You understand? But it's up to you now. I mean, make sure take me advice. If you work here, you work double there.
And because you don't know Jessica like that, uncle. Jessica a good person. You know, so she not gonna just take up herself and left so. At work, she gonna go look.
No normal mother. Not when left them girl child and go away and nobody can get her on phone. And you come tell me, say, she a good. No, man. Look here, young man. Drop up yourself, man. Listen to me. There's no way it can happen. It's not a good woman. It can't happen under no circumstance. And you don't get a call?
I like she left her on the street, uncle. She left her with me.
You're not getting the whole picture here. That is why you know this problem. You not get the picture. Listen to me. No normal mother don't do that. It's not a good woman. And you need to just pick up yourself and brush off and do what you do. And hear what people say. Just leave that girl alone. It don't make sense. If she come back and do it, I don't know what it is. But think about it. What if your mother did you so young and your mother left you and gone?
right now, they work so on the wrong with the baby.
Yeah, work, but what me I get for
She
honest,
alright with her grandmother right now.
you cannot put burden on your your grandparents. You can't do that. You can't put burden on modern time now.
But I like our stranger. I feel them
It
guys.
don't matter. It's not their child. It's yours. It's you and that girl child. It's not your grandparents' child. They don't do that. Listen to your uncle. Listen to the wise old man. We have a lot of kids. We know about woman. The woman there where you are talk about and have the baby mother there is no good. She's no good for you. Just forget about her, my youth. Forget.
Alright. Be here I say though. I true because respect you though. But you can't choose who be for them with.
We not choose who you for
They're
them.
a big body though. They're a big body. You can't right now, we don't talk you know. Later. We'll talk to you later.
Chris, come here. Chris. 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 Yo, Chris. Yo. You that one hard enough for cocky, no man. Boy, I just give man a good talk, you know.
What you really say to him?
Give man a good talk. A uncle to a nephew talk. I don't know what I'm to Chris. Something wrong with the girl, you know, man.
Pass with attitude.
I tell you, I don't know. I talk to the man so good. A while ago, the man just get up and flash off and go. I call him.
You see how me tell you.
Boy, I
You see
tell
how
you,
me,
man.
me tell you everything. Say me talk to him and he might behave certain type of way. Me I wonder what the girl do to me son.
Boy, come like the girl that got St. Thomas for him. There's something with the girl that hold him, my boy. I
From
tell you.
St. Thomas or St. Mary.
Me say the man just defend everything with the girl and no matter what you tell him, you know, it's like, say, boy, he can't sit
And
with it.
defend the girl.
But yes, and I tell
The
you.
dirty butterfoot girl.
I tell
The
you,
run we gone left. You see saying
I
nonsense.
talk to him, but me no know. In
Hold on
somewhere else. Eh?
My brother, you think me should have carry Chris to a doctor because he never stays so. You feel say
No, doctor, man. You're a young man, just have experience with a girl and whatever, but he come like, say, boy,
that's not.
yeah, man, I tell you, say, something with the girl, boy, I tell you, something hold him. Boy, I don't know. Powerful mother, when me I think at
Well,
John Star,
whatever that the girl they do to him,
he walk.
he work.
Whatever he walk.
It work.
He work.
It work
Yeah,
for
man, he
two.
walk. Can't believe say, man, really.
No, but me can't make my son stay so. No. See, can no dirty girl when not even mean him no good. Run away and left picnic. No. The girl run away and left the picnic on him.
Only in a tough position right now, no. Only in a tough position. I tell you. I don't know how I record that one still, but he can't sit through it. But you right now, you have to go guide him and as me tell him, say me I try to talk to him, say that little girl picnic. And you know how Jamaica you stay. When it come on to that. Yeah, picnic can't box on here and there and you understand what I mean? It's
Listen
a girl
to me.
child.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
We grew up together. You know my style. Me talk to Chris.
Me know
If
me,
me never talk to him,
yeah, but me can't see it.
Look
Me
here.
see it, man. Listen. No matter when you have some pick, no matter what you tell them.
Talk to him.
Me understand you. Me know how you stay. Me know you grow. Me know say you talk to him, but me see it for myself. Say him now listen to you. But there's something there. Me can't understand. Something there. Me have a little trip to go run on the road still, but you have to go talk to him still. Because I come like say that girl and lead him down one pathway where boy me no know.
Nothing they hide and drink and smoke too.
No,
Because
yeah,
in
so-
different, you know.
Me know, man.
In different, in change.
Why me think some could have talk to him?
Chris when me know, when me grow up. You know,
You see when you turn adult, he just turn adult, you know. Pitney born when him, you know, he's a young man, but he just turn adult. Some of them you
when
can't
he
talk to them.
younger.
Yeah.
And me I feel they train him up in the right way. And then used to give me blood pressure. Now if he gone up sick of him and girl. Me not no time for
Anyway, me have to go. Me
not no time for waste.
have to go link here, you tell me what I go on, but me have something to go deal with. Here.
Alright. Let me
Alright.
see. I will call you and talk to you about
Yeah,
it.
man. No problem, man. Anything.
Yeah.
Me there as an uncle. Me there. No worry yourself.
Alright. Thank you for talk to him still, you know?
Boy, me try.
Alright, my brother.
Don't ever really say everything with them I say true.
What? Chubawa, Chubawa. What happened? What
And
happened?
this really I do.
What you watch
Look
me
what
for?
you have for-
What you come down here and watch me for? This is my work. Righty?
What kind of work this?
This is my work. What is your work?
You know, say, baby, they who are right now, a bar for you for days now. Your mother worry about you sick. What you really I do?
Me tell mommy say me a come and my baby come get a work.
I see him to get tell me, but you never tell me, say, I go dance, go.
You never listen, you never want hear with me at all.
Where you been me there for 1 year?
Just stop watch me no brother. Just stop watch me. Go
Jessica.
on back home now, go
Jessica,
on to
listen
your
to me.
baby.
Listen.
When I leave work, I come. You understand? When I leave work, I come.
Jessica, this is one good life.
Just
May I
go
beg?
on, just go on. Just go on.
Jessica, listen to me for a second. Come home right now. Come home.
It is so everywhere me go, it is so watch. Man, you not go and go live your life, brother.
Jessica, I love you, you know. Don't tell me say you really go do this to me. Your daughter, your mother, really? Jessica, may I beg you, please, come home.
Just go
Yo,
on,
peaches. Watch
Just
out,
come here, sir, embarrass.
Peaches.
Look how much people you surround the place.
Peaches. Is that what it is?
I'm a baby father. Just look where you cause. Look where you come up here, come cause for me, brother. But if you come out there, people them place, yeah, man. Cause I'm a work me and
Yo, hear me as. And this pay you fine, girl. So you see them thing, yeah? Now bring it come on my club. This a club, yeah. Not sure you see you look so. It's a uptown, nice, upscale people, and be a good people come and so. So now bring them excitement. Hey boy, next time you come in my club, I'll kick you down, you know. You hear me, I say? Just come on for the stage and come deal with this.
Just come out here, man. You see where you cause? You see where you cause? Supposed to make me lose my work, brother. Supposed to make me lose my work.
Brother, me really turn now.
So what else to call you? What else to call you?
Mama say me a baby father, you know.
Where baby there? You fit the upper yard and take care of baby so till me
Me
come
fit
back.
the-
Me tell her say me a go my baby come look work, brother. No
fi-
problem.
You fit there, I baby there which part of the baby there too.
Me
And
know
me
say me
alone.
left the baby up on my mother, you know. Where baby there now?
Baby there my mother yard.
Brother, just take one bus and come back where you come from.
Jessica, just listen to me for a second. Please, may I beg you. May I beg you. Come back home.
This is my work. Brother, I'm a work. This so you want me to
What
come
kind of
down,
work?
come
This
down.
who will influence you for real this something like this? Jessica, I love you, you know. Think about Anna. Think about the baby for a second, please. Please, think about the baby. Jessica, please don't do this.
Just go on home. Yeah, me think about it, but I'm work. Me, I supposed to make my boss fire me, brother. What kind of thing this year come down here and come and do? Listen to me, you know. You done here when my boss said 2 weeks a while ago in the so. He said, if you just come out as a deal with them, you deal and come back. So you know where you do just go all about and go on back where you come from. I work, brother. Me not have time for this, brother. Just don't come back with me there, brother. You're not gonna live a life, man.
Good evening, this Gigi.
Evening, Chris.
What happened, my baby? You alright?
I hope you not come with you too long, honey. No. Hope you not too long and you come with.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me tell her already say, but I go try my best to get some money. Just have to get some stuff, you know. Miss Gigi, I just want to say thank you. Even though you're a grandmother, you play your part to help me take care of her. I know say you do your best to always take care of her.
You know, so I never plan my life for really sit down and take care of no more children, especially grandchildren.
Me understand that. But I go try my best and just always give her money so you can take care and get her show stuff. I may keep her some of the times when she start go to school.
Let me ask you some more. You didn't tell me about Jessica, say.
You know, say, me go about me fi try to convince her to come back home
So
and
you see her?
yes,
You see her with the two eye them?
yes. Honestly, she shame me, to be honest. She tell me say me a one horrible person that me fi leave her alone.
So she really a dancer through?
Yes. I honestly me never believe it.
What you see her do?
Miss Gigi, me not even want to talk about when me see her though. Cause if me say it, me might all start ball. Or you
Then you
might
say,
all start ball too.
what she really a do?
Miss Gigi, all me can say, and the type of lifestyle she want live. So me say,
Like she a dance like naked.
she practically naked. Honestly, you don't know a stripper when they in a movie. That's how she look.
A long time, me not watch them that kind of movie, you know. Me always hear them a talk about stripper and then sitting there, me not even know
But
what them a talk. But me hear them talk about go.
yeah. But me say, if for the lifestyle that she want live, she can go and live it.
See me, Jessica.
Yes. So me say, alright.
Well, if you see her with your two eyes, you see, I give you a little advice. Cause as far as what me see right now, you, if we me see you put out interest in your little daughter, you put more interest in her more than her own mother. Not because she is my child. I am not gonna put up with no foolishness. Me not condole no slackness. You hear me? I tell you,
Me here.
Chris, you is a good little boy. You know how me grow Jessica. You know how me grow her. You understand?
Me understand.
But you see, company, they say bad company lead you astray. And I realize that this little girl, you know, you see, all of me teach her, she not taking none of what me teach her. You understand? She never see me a dance yet. And now she a strip and a dance.
Honestly.
Mighty God. And one thing me I tell you, leave her alone.
And
If at that the life that she choose to live, make she go and go live her life.
that me agree.
Listen what me I tell you, say. Some pitney coming like a mash glass. And when you have to listen to what me I say to you, know. And when you have to take in your head, you know. And listen, me I go repeat myself. Some pitney coming like a mash glass. It can't repair. Listen what me I tell you, say. Because if you try to take you up, you might have cut you. So it coming like say Jessica turn mash glass. Some pitney again coming like a shoes. You can't repair shoes. Always remember that, you know. Remember, say, your daughter grandmother tell you this. Shoes can't repair. But you see mash glass there, if you try to take you up, we cut you. You see if that the road there and that the part there, she choose and she want to live that kind of life there, make she go on and run her down. Listen to me. Don't run behind her. You're a young boy and you have ambition. You hear me say? Me don't know what happened, you know. You ever hear about the story about the prodigal son return?
But I hear about the one there.
The prodigal son in the Bible, you have to read your Bible. You must read your Bible more often. The prodigal son return. Me never hear nothing about the prodigal daughter. So you see, if she want come to her senses one day, she might have can repair. But you see, as of now, focus on yourself and your daughter. All right, give me a baby.
Alright.
Give me a
But-
baby.
As again, me just want to say thank you and all me gonna do is just work hard to take care of my daughter and focus on myself.
Point me there plan for trick you, you know. And make you sign out in paper, give me, you know. Me I tell you the truth.
Sign out?
Yes, me there plan for trick you. And make you sign out everything give me for her because me want her to have a stable home. Me want a little pitney to have one stable home. Me don't want him to move from house to house, from house to
You don't
house.
have to worry about
You understand? But you see, the effort when me show you, when me see you put out the effort and the interest where you show as a little young man, me really have to look up to you. Me really have to salute you. Because I know every young boy still like you. You understand? Chris is a good boy. I never like you at first, you know. Because I think you did careless, I think you did carefree. I tell you the truth, I tell you the truth. It's a confession is good for the soul. That's why I never too want even want to keep a little girl because me alone couldn't go through it. Me alone, no sir.
Alright, you don't have to worry yourself. All you alone go take care of her. But we'll talk to you later. Just make sure you get some rest.
Alright then, she asleep. So
Yeah.
if you hear me say,
Yeah.
do not follow back at Jessica, make she go on about her business.
Yeah, Jessica, we're done with her.
Make sure. Because me not put up with no slackness not because of me pick.
Yo, uncle. What going?
Chris, right, you know, why that see me have a hole in what you do?
You know, sir, I want to just want to go there, you know.
Everything.
Everything where you did tell me. Everything, the eyes just wide open.
You're glad you see through it still, you know. Sometimes, you know, we bigger and older folks, we go through certain things, so we understand. You know, we go through life sometimes when we're young and we don't understand, but it will reach a stage when you grow older, the same thing you're going to do somebody thing, you're going to tell them and sometimes through experience, they don't understand, but when you get older, you understand certain things. Most of the time when somebody older and you talk to you, you listen. They always right, 90% of the time. You understand what I mean?
I understand.
Certain people you can't change. And to me here, she can't change. I tell me that, tell her that.
You know what I mean? Because the here session that I come.
Yeah.
And they say me I'm good on there try to talk to her. We see what go on. And the way how she behave, I cuss me out.
Yeah. I give you a brief history. Nah, take not much time, but I will tell you something. I know somebody personally. Seeing where a man take care of same type of girl when me hear about your girl. Same exact thing. Everybody's not the same, but let me show you. A man take her up, married her. That's when the man married her. The man take care of her. There's nothing what she no want. Car, house, everything. But the man is an overseas man. It's when the man there, you see as soon as the man take the plane and gone,
Yeah.
same night, you know what she did?
Which
On the
one?
street again.
On the street.
On the street again. So you see some girl, you can't change them.
Me see
I
that
just sorry,
now.
I
Me
did,
see
yeah
that
man,
now.
yeah man.
Some
But,
girl you just have to loud about her.
yeah man, but I don't
Focus by yourself.
Oh God man. A wise thing man. You have your daughter.
Yeah.
Just focus on your daughter. You understand me?
Yeah.
Nothing else no matter to you in the world. You understand me? Take it from your uncle. See, Chris?
Yeah.
You know, I don't like how you look still, so, you know, it kind of hard.
You don't have to worry
No,
about me, you know.
man, no,
You
yeah,
don't
yeah,
have to worry
but
about me.
just think positive.
Yeah.
Think
That's why I don't
positive.
be just have to work hard and
Yeah,
take care of her.
man, yeah, man. I tell her, my youth, your mother is a good mother. You know, she might be miserable at time when I know her, when I grow up. I know used to fight all the while, and you know what I mean? But, you know, you have to just listen to her. Most of your parents are always right. And when you grow up, you start to see certain things now.
Yeah.
You see what we there talk about. And more to come, you know. But you just have to prepare yourself.
Yeah.
You hear me? And you see, anytime you want any little help, just come check me. Come check your uncle. And you know me here the right reason.
Yeah.
Zane, boy, I tell you, you know. As a young man, I never know say I went to week, you know. I can get all picked it right, eh? Turn all in a granny, eh? Just cool, man. Head up, man. Just head up.
We alright, man.
Right? We see a river, you know, open nothing, but nothing, you know.
I don't dive, one knife and I
Oh, but just dive alone, eh?
Yeah, no, we have to worry yourself about it.
Anyway, just.
It's time hot, man.
Yeah. Oh, good. I'm glad of the heat. Open and nothing else.
Yeah.
All right.
Me
Big up.
talk to you.
No, man. Come link, me, man.
Yeah, big
There you
up.
have blood.
Yeah.
Zane? Big up, man.
If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Donald Campbell is the realtor you should call. You can WhatsApp her or call her at 407-449-3371. Or you can visit her website at www.donettecampbell.com. Or you can also find her on Facebook. Donette Campbell is your realtor. Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, "Oh, me no need that, me no need that." It's not no Viagra. You know me I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40 you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I said, I'm not talking about sex, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, see him Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, he can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.
My name is Mrs. Dawn Robinson Spence, the leader for the Hartford Folk and Cultural Group. You can contact us at 876 585-9845, or you can contact the JCDC office in Savannah Lamar, 955-405.
If you're in need for a professional photo and or videography service, feel free to contact us at the number provided on screen. We provide island-wide service. If you're in need for a professional photo and or videography service, feel free to contact us at the number provided on screen. We provide island-wide service.